So hey guys, today I'm reviewing the Clabber Girl baking soda. What I like about this is that it is a multi-purpose product, which means that it has a number of functions, different uses. You can use it for a number of purposes. Like it could be used in baking, you could use it as a deodorizer. It could also be used for cleaning as well. You can use this in the bathroom to clean the tiles, the tubs, the floors, the counters, your pots and your pans. Now, when it comes to the mouth, I've tried this product on my teeth. It helps to clean out the mouth. It gets rid of odor, bad breath. And just from using this baking soda, I noticed that it was gentle on my mouth. So if you have sensitive teeth, this is great to use to kill the bad breath and to keep those teeth nice and white. If you're dealing with toe jam, this is great for your feet to get rid of bad feet odor. All you have to do is sprinkle this in your shoes and it will get rid of the bad feet odor. Now this particular product, I have it in the 16-ounce box. And what I like about this product is that it has been around since 1850. So this product has longevity and it has been on the market for such a long time. So if you're interested in this product, I will leave all the information down in the description box. Thanks for tuning in and I will see you guys in the next review. Bye.